All right, so you've been using your essential oils. You love your essential oils. You use them more and more, and it's gonna take a while, but eventually you're gonna have an empty bottle, or maybe a couple, because you're gonna save these bottles. Even though they're empty, you're gonna save them and you can reuse them. Maybe you wanna make up your own little mixture. Maybe you want to put a rollerball on top of a bottle and add some Panaway, Copiba, and peppermint, because we all know what that does. That would be awesome. Maybe you want to buy a little sprayer top and make like a linen freshener spray or a room freshening spray. That would be awesome too. So first off, keep your bottles, don't throw them away. Little trick, the drop reducer, even though nothing's coming out of there, there's always a couple drops left in the bottle. So pry the drop reducer off with the lid, and you can always get a couple more drops to come out. Then what you want to do is peel the labels off. Some of them come off super easy. Some of them, a lot of times it's the citrus ones for me, do not come off very easy. I don't know if you can see like the sticky stuff on there. Kind of a sticky mess, but guess what? We use essential oils and there's an oil for everything. We have lemon. Drop a lemon on there, scrub it a little bit under some water, and it comes right off. So then what we're gonna do is we're going to soak them in what? Should we soak them in? How about some Thieves dish soap? That would be the perfect choice. So let me show you.
The bottles and drop reducers in here, and we put a little Thieves dish soap in because it's awesome, and some hot water. And we're gonna let those soak for a while.
All right, so we soaked them good. Get them out of there, dry them off, and then you can use them for so many wonderful things. Enjoy your bottles and your oils. Bye.